Story research indicates this vehicle as a good deal and loaded with features. Features also include keyless entry, parking assist system, blind spot monitor, Uconnect system, hands-free Bluetooth integration, and has been listed as an IIHS top safety pick with these ratings. You are going to love the 2014 Cherokee. The Jeep Cherokee offers superior off-road capability. This makes the Cherokee a fine choice for families who venture off-road or vacation in the mountains or other remote areas, and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 65,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, traction control, Bluetooth wireless data link for hands-free phone, air conditioning, power steering, floor mats, cruise control, AM/FM stereo radio, FWD, rear defrost. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.